So we will start by entering in a new patient into the database to begin the NP3 test. We can enter database and enter add new client, and for the purpose of our procedure we will enter patient's first name and last name, but for testing through the BIRM process we will only be using an identifier number which can be entered for first name, but in this case we will enter a name so that we can identify it and don't need any other information at this point. And patient has been entered into the database. We'll close. Hopefully it'll close. There we go. And then we will click Start Script Session. Now, if we need to, you can also add a new client through this window. In this case, we have already entered the client, and we will find his name here. And where is he? Well, for this case, we'll just use my previous report. We will click on the neurophysiologic pain profile, the lower line, make sure it's highlighted, and click OK. And okay, we're getting a warning saying the encoder was not detected. We need to make sure the encoder is hooked up, which it is. Fortunately, we did not turn it on. So make sure the encoder is on. Make sure all the channels are plugged into the encoder box. Make sure the encoder box is connected with the USB port to the laptop. So now we will go back through, click OK. Should detect that the encoder box is plugged in, is on, and now we are ready to begin. All we need to do is click the Start button, the yellow green arrow up here, and then we can click any key to continue, which we will shortly.